Hi everybody, it's Anne here from Positively Papercraft, and I'm back with another tutorial. First off, I just want to say I'm sorry if I sound different. I'm pretty ill today. I think I've got like a cold or something. So I've got my lemsip with a cat hair in it, of course. Bloody cat hairs. Right, so today I want to thank one of my lovely friends, Sue Popplewell, because she messaged me with this thing that we're going to make, and she had found it, I believe, from a tutorial on YouTube. I can't think of the lady's name again, but I will link her tutorial, because I don't know if this lady came up with it or whatever, but I'll link our video, and I'm going to show you a picture of the one that Sue made in a minute, because I think Sue's was just so pretty. Now I think you will be addicted to these as well. I am, I know Sue is. Now what they are is you're going to make your own pokey tools. Now how cool are these? Now I have no idea if everybody already knows about them, or I just don't know. To me it's completely new, and I think it's a brilliant idea. So these are two small ones I made, and I'm going to show you everything that I used. These were made by, these are cocktail sticks. Everything came from Amazon. That's really all you need to buy if you have beads already. Obviously if you don't have beads you're going to need to buy them, but these are small, but I think they are just nice little dinky ones really. And I like that they have the little different tops, like these have stars, this one which you can hang charms from, and just a round one. And then the big one, now this is a giant needle. Now I'll show you them as well. I got them as a pack from Amazon. These have a few different sizes. Now be careful because these things are lethal. The ends are so sharp. And as you can see, it's just a regular needle. Now I don't really like the needle part showing, so I was lucky in that I found a charm that I glued on the top. I think I've seen a few that have that still showing, which is fine. But yes, isn't it just a lovely idea? And it's brilliant for a pokey tool. I will never use a normal pokey tool again. So we're going to make one today with the needle. So I'll put the links for everything. Excuse me. And the lady's video that I watched, she was using this super glue. It is a gel super glue, which when I saw it I thought I'm gonna have to buy that, because the super glue I've got is runny. You don't want it running down your tool, like your needle, and getting all over the gems and stuff. So this, when you put it on, it doesn't go anywhere because it's like a gel, a thick gel, and it dries really quick. So I have, excuse me, I have beads anyway. Now I'm really gutted because I bought these from eBay the other day, and they came this morning, not knowing that, thinking the hole would be that way, and it's actually this way. And it's ridiculous really, isn't it? So I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Never mind, it is what it is. My fault for not reading it properly. And then I have like different little bits and pieces in here, and the charm, I hung the charm on one of these like mobile phone little things that I've had for years, but you could just use jump rings or something. It's up to you. So I'm going to pick, excuse me, I feel awful. I'm going to pick some charms. Now what I did was I didn't glue them all. I think I only glued like the last three. As you can see, look, they spin round. It's up to you how many you want to glue. this one I glued them all, and this one I just glued the last bottom to. It depends if you want to glue them all, it's up to you. But I'm going to put another one of these little bows. I've had these years, and they push right up to the top, and then it's just a case of picking what, you know, beads you want. I mean, you can test them out first to see how it looks before you stick stuff down. I might use these. These are cute, they're like little hearts. Now, what you have to be careful of as well is it doesn't happen with this one, but these here, I found that if you do buy the cocktail sticks or stirrers or whatever you call them, they're thicker, and a lot of these beads didn't fit. I'm going to show you. Do you see? The hole is just too small on the beads, so be wary of that. Not a lot of them fit on that one. But you can obviously put on whatever you want. Just sort of build it up. I wonder if these will fit. Oh yes, they fit as well. Try a blue one. But you can, you know, do it in any order you want. It's entirely up to you what beads you want to put on and where. I think I'm going to go for this, where I have just two random blue ones with a pearl. Ow. Yeah, just be very careful of the end of this needle because it is really sharp. And then it's up to you how far you take it down as well, like to the bottom. I haven't took mine down really far. I think that's as far as I will take mine, because you do want, you know, you want some tulle left really. So yeah, I'm gonna leave mine that far, and then it's probably what I'll do is I'll just glue I need a pearl there actually. I'll just glue the last few again. Ow, see what I mean? Yeah, so I might just have it like, hang on, if I put one more spacer on, and then the heart. Yeah, that's better. So I'm gonna have mine like that. And then, as I said, the top one, you're going to really have to see if you've got a bead that is big enough to go through. Now, I think this will, yes, but it's too, like, it's too wobbly. You need one that's tight. So, you know, that one won't go through. So, what's this? No, I found what went over was these little sort of, these here, they go in, but I don't know, I might just leave this one with the charm on. So I'm going to take these off, and then and it has like little sort of sides that you press. You only need a little bit. You can see it doesn't move. Focus. It just stays put. and then just a pearl. And then the last one will be the little heart. But yes, I think this is quite addictive. Is it? Is that right? Yes. So you obviously want to let that dry. It doesn't take long, but I'm going to let that dry and then I'll be back and we'll do the charm. Okay, so that's about dry, and I've took another one of those little phone charm things, and I've got 2 jump rings, and I'm going to put the jump ring through the little hole, and then I've got this lovely little charm here which I'm going to hang from there, and then close this up. And then I might put another one on with a little bee actually. So put that in there. There we go, 2 little charms. Now you really just put this through the needle, and then just pull that tight. There we go, we have another gorgeous little pokey tool. So they really are not hard to make, and as I said, I think they're pretty addictive. Now I'm sure the lady's video, she recommended using like an earring back, you know, like the sort of rubber earring backs if you want to put it on the end of the pokey tool. I never use the ends of my pokey tools anyway, if I'm honest. I always bin them, and I'm not really bothered. If I was, I don't know, I suppose it depends if you're keeping them for yourself or if you're gifting them away or even selling them. I don't know, it's entirely up to you. But yes, I'll put all the links for the stuff that are the needles and the things that I bought to make them. But aren't these just beautiful? I mean, you wouldn't see like a pokey tool in the shop like that, would you? And then you get to make it yourself and have whatever you want to decorate it and embellish it, type of thing. So yes, I hope you've enjoyed it, and it's not my fault if you've become addicted. So I will be back again next week, so thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.